The wordplay holds true with certain words. Remember, not all words were created by the same people, but the key words certainly were. They had a monopoly on religion in many ways, operating behind the scenes, going through Babylon, through the Latin and English and French and Spanish and other Latin-based languages, as well as the Greek variations of language, giving away the truth as well. When you remove the E in bread, you get abrada. Put the A before and after. Abrada. And you move the I and the E in wine. Put the A before and after. Awana. Awana. Abrada. One love for all races and all peoples. And it is a brother. They gave the life of a brother. Jesus gave his life. He sacrificed a brother. And I am the brother being sacrificed for what I believe. I would like to be able to continue drinking and smoking because my heart aches. But I see that my path takes me on a mission which requires me to be sober. And the scriptures in the Bible and on my wall make that clear to me. So there are things that I would really like to do that I'm going to push away, including being happy and settling down. I do not see this ending well. Francis Galton said that Africa was ideal for Asians, for Chinese. And I see the greatest martial artist in American history is being recognized as a Chinese man who's mixed with German. Galton was a white person bigging up the Asians. The Eastern philosophy is the same way that Hitler was. Where do you think he got his swastika symbol? Not from the Chinese, but from Eastern philosophy, right? It's an ancient symbol. Look at Sanskrit and Hinduism and things of this nature. You'll see what I mean. So, when you analyze this thing completely, what do you get? You get a shorter person, like those found on the Mediterranean, who is part white, part Asian, like those found in the Roman Empire. Remember the Eastern and Western Roman Empire, a kind of Semitic Mediterranean type person being celebrated as the best. Now, I'm not racist. They are. I believe in one love. They believe in pretending it's one love and using science to get what they want. It is those who believe that things happen naturally for a reason versus those who believe that they are entitled because of their perceived intellect to direct humanity. And we see the job that they're doing. A god, Anna, gardener, Anna, Mother Earth. How can I protect Anna? How can I protect Anna? I'm from the tribe that asks themselves, Abba, A's instead of I and O. The G is silent. Abba. The G, God, right? God is silent, but he's there. Abba, the Father, the God. How can we protect Mother Earth? Well, Nigeria is the most contaminated land because those who want to destroy Mother Earth have a serious problem with those who want to protect them. And of those who want to protect, Mother Earth, of those who want to protect Mother Earth, the Igbos are the bell that rings the loudest. Now, do not confuse that with accomplishments, okay? Accomplishments, especially when you exclude spiritual thought, does not necessarily speak precisely about intent. Some people are scumbags who choose to save things in order to make themselves look good. There's a difference. The people who are the most hell-bent to save everything that is sacred are the Igbos of Nigeria. That's why we have suffered more than anyone has. That's why we are targeted more than anyone is. Think about it. We were the slaves in the slave trade, disproportionately. Some of the black Jews are Igbos, and it was their thinking that was targeted during World War II. When the communists attack religion, well, Africa has the most religions, and Igbos are the bell that rings the loudest. We are called the Jews of Africa, not anyone else. So who has the most to lose, if not the Jews, from a communist attack? So the atheistic, fake Jews who have a serious problem with the real Jews, like Cain had a problem with Abel, are the ones who want to destroy religion the most. And the people who suffer the most from it are the black, Igbo, and Ethiopian Jews, who are the real founders of religion. Abyssinia, Egypt. Think about it. A Gardana. It's not just in the, I forgot what the word is, but it's the sounds. When you sound it out versus when you spell it out with symbols. A lot of you think he's going on a tangent. He's just a rapper who likes wordplay. No, you stupid motherfuckers. It's when you sound it out. Not everybody was literate. When did writing come into being versus when did people have an oral tradition? You sound it out. The first disagreement wasn't over international version, blah, blah, blah. It was over, the first religious disagreements were over the sounds of it. And there was symbols. And which symbols represent which sounds is part of what Babylon, figuratively or symbolically, confused people about. The sound, Agad-ana, Gard-ana, the gardener, taking care of the earth, right? That's what gardening is. You're guarding Anna, and you're trying to weed out the weeds so that the desirable crops may grow. And what is the Bible talking about? More often than not, perhaps, the harvest and the reaper. You reap what you sow. Guard Anna, the food, the people, the earth.